Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off compass calibration in system services on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, go to privacy sections, then click the location services. Then in the location services, scroll down again and click the system services. Then after that, in the system services, find the compass calibration, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just click it to enable until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just click again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off compass calibration in system services on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.